Welcome everybody, it's Paul from the Binary Options Advantage, and we're in our Tuesday night Asian trade session on January 5th, 2016, third official trade session of the month of the year. And we're looking at a return to mean average price play here, which is one of our strategies that happens after an untrue price occurs. Normally it occurs when there's a trade announcement or something like that that is in the offing trading the news. But for some reason at 8:20 in the evening Eastern time, we got a big spike here. Now the return to mean average price is just that. We say that after a dramatic move like this, the price should return to the mean average. What is the mean average? Well, the mean average is indicated by the middle Bollinger Band right here. So you can see right here is the middle Bollinger Band. And what we say is the price is going to return to that because that's just what happens. And here is the mean average price right here, the middle Bollinger Band. The big trick is knowing when to enter it and knowing when, if it's going to come down like this and return to the mean average price, or is the price going to rise up to meet it, or is it going to return like this? Those are supposed to be, can't you follow what I'm saying? Or is it going to turn like this? That's the big trick, and the other trick is when to enter it. Now what we look for is, we look for it to be, the only thing that gives us the indication to take the return to mean average price is the what we call the lobster claw right here. When the red becomes on top again, separates, and the green is on the bottom, and then the red and the green do this. Now that's an exaggeration, but they drop like that. We don't want it to meander sideways and drop like this below the dotted line, although that's not terribly bad looking. This is a good lobster claw right here, and a good drop. This is not as good. Kind of an esoteric thing, you know, you kind of have to judge whether it's good or not, but that's what we're looking for to enter the return to mean average price play. And we're set up on Euro US dollar on our broker for a 2-minute and a 5-minute put. We're gonna, if it happens, here's Euro US dollar, we're going to take a 2-minute and then a 5-minute put. You can see that the trader inside of view, what I call the pressure, is with us, and we're going to decide when to enter this, again based on that criteria of the lobster claw drop and nothing else. By definition, the return to mean average price is almost always against the trend, so we throw the rules for the other strategies out the window, and it might be time to go. It might be time to go. I don't quite see the lobster claw. It is red on top. We want it to go on the bottom. We want the red and the green lobster claw, what we call a lobster claw here, to drop. And there it is, time to go, boom. We're entering it for a 2-minute put, and I'm going to take a 5-minute put. Things are moving a little slow on this right now. Oh boy. And let's see what it does. Here's the 5-minute Euro US put. Let's see what we got. We can monitor these too, and we can monitor them on the charts. Here we go. That's the 5-minute. I did get 844 and 644 and 657. A little bit of a spread. The 657 is a bit of a better price for a put. There we are on the 2-minute curve right now, the 2-minute trade play for the return to mean average price. This is a video just to spell out the rules of the return to mean average price, which is basically get a spike or an untrue price. We kind of like to see it on 1 or 2 large candles. In this case it went 3 or 4 large candles moving up. So what we're doing is waiting for the lobster claw to drop. That's the only thing we need, and if it drops clean, it has to be above this dotted line, has to drop nicely and cleanly, which it did, and that should give us a win in the long run. Now it looks like we entered the price right about here, entered the trade right about here. We're back out of the money for the moment, but I do believe this is just a bit of a retracement. I think we entered it right there, didn't we, when it dropped? So let's keep an eye on this one. The 2-minute may lose. Oh, look at it, it's coming back. Wow, looking really good. And then the 5-minute is the next one. Very volatile markets recently since the beginning of the year. Chinese markets had a problem yesterday. The U.S. markets dropped yesterday a lot. Today not as badly. Let's come on. Look at this volatility. Just stay in that. There we go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner for the 2-minute return to mean average price play. Let's watch the 5-minute win now. So this is an updated video on the return to mean average price strategy that we use, and these are the Tboa charts, which are our proprietary mixture of indicators, EAs, robots, all kinds of things to help you trade our strategies. Right now we have 10 vetted, tried and true strategies that are all paying over 70 to 75%, some in the 80% bracket. 10 strategies, of which the return to mean average price is one of them. Looks like another retracement here. I hope we survive this one. This green light on here means that this is a green candle following. If that was a red light, what I call a light, that little dot, this would be a red candle. That's one of our indicators that are built in, and it doesn't bode well for this at the moment, but I do believe that just might be a retracement, and we're going to get back in the money. We do have 2 minutes and 20 seconds thereabouts left in the trade. So let's write it out. We have a winner on a 2-minute. On the 1-minute chart, we traditionally look for 5-minute. The strategies, most of our strategies on 1-minute charts say take a 5-minute trade. Lately, we've noticed that we've been in the money at 2 minutes as well as at the 5-minute marker, so we take the 2-minute and the 5-minute trades both. No fast forwarding here, no manipulation of it. We're just going to take it in real time and just watch the trade in its entirety. You can see that we use CT Option as our broker, and we've been with them for well over a year. I think it's coming up on 2 years. Yes, it is. In March it will be 2 years we've been with CT Option. We never have a problem withdrawing, and none of our members ever have. When you sign up through us, that's nice to see, a red light with a red candle. When you sign up through us through CT Option, there's a lot of benefits that we give depending on what program, what promotion we're running, that will give you as signing on through CT Option through our link and through our procedure, getting under our group with CT Option. And CT Option will also afford benefits to our members signing on with us to CT Option. The minimum account opening amount is $250. You should watch our video in the YouTube channel about how you can profit after a number of months with a minimum account balance, opening an account with a minimum account, no matter what broker it is, as long as you're honest. You follow our plan to profit. I believe that's what the video is called, Plan to Profit. I'll put a link in the bottom of this page here, bottom of this video, so you can see. Subscribe to us on our YouTube channel, and I'll also point out that particular video. It's right on the cusp right now. It has about a little less than 15 seconds to go, and it looks like it might be firming up for another win, which will make us 5-0 in the session this afternoon, this evening, in our Asian trade session. Don't talk too soon, Paul. There it is. Ooh, look at just at the last 1 second. It's back in again, and it's a push. That's volatility we've been experiencing. See here, it's $50 payout. That means it's a push. They're absolutely tied at the last second. The strategy was right on. I think if you'll watch the video again, you'll see that the strategy was called perfectly, and the strategy worked for the 2-minute, and it just about worked for the 5-minute. But that's a viable example that we're going to post both in our members area and in the YouTube channel. Maybe we won't leave it on the YouTube channel too long. So if you want more information about the Binary Options Advantage Trade Room, over 28 months now, actually 29 months in the month of January, we've been doing trade room sessions every day, every trading day, 5 days a week, and Tuesday and Thursday Asian sessions started last July, actually last May, and we've been doing 7 sessions a week we're at our 29th month of doing at least 5 sessions Monday through Friday, and then we've added the Asian sessions. So more adventures, more things to come with the Binary Options Advantage for 2016. Again, a look at the Tboa charts and the return to mean average price strategy. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, get a hold of me on Skype. I'll put my Skype below here in the video, and other links that you can check us out on. As always, happy trading.